Welcome back to my channel. We're gonna go ahead and just jump in right into the tutorial. I am doing my eyebrows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the color dark brown, and I'm also using their number 12 brush.
In your eyes, that means much more. Who knows where your love goes when they close the door? But I don't have to worry where you go. I don't have to worry where you go. Dreaming, you're dreaming.
Okay, after I have applied my primer, I'm going to go ahead and start with my transition color. The palette that I will be using today is a 35P by Morphe, and I'm starting off with a very light brown shade. After applying the light brown shadow, we're going to go ahead and use this light purple shade, and we're going to start applying that as well in the crease right on top of that brown. Here you're going to see me grab a darker purple. This is the color that we're going to be applying at the outer and the inner corner of our eyes, and just blending it right on top, right on the crease, just bringing them both together. After blending that out, we're going to go ahead and start applying our concealer on the center of our lid and bringing it up to the crease. Just go ahead and blend that out. Next, we're going to go ahead and start applying this purple shade right on top of that concealer, and just making sure to pack it in first and then slowly blending it in with a darker shadow. Once you've blended the center shadow, grab that same brush that you used for the dark purple and just blend everything together. After applying my eyelash glue, I'm going to start applying my 3D glitter from MAC in the color lavender, and just packing that on the center of my eye. Don't worry if this gets a little messy. You are going to have some fallout, but we're going to go ahead and just wipe that up at the end. Next, I'm going to start applying my eyeliner. I'm using the e.l.f. eyeliner in the color Jet Black. Next, I'm going to go ahead and start applying my foundation. I'm using the CoverGirl True Blend in the color M50, and I'm applying that with a damp Real Techniques sponge. I see that look in your eyes. That means After blending everything out, I'm going to start applying my concealer. First, I'm going to use my Maybelline Age Rewind and Sans Sable, and then on top of that, I'm going to go ahead and use the Tarte Shape Tape in the color medium, and just blending everything out with the same sponge. After blending my concealer, I'm going to go ahead and set everything with my Ben Nye Banana Powder. Next, I'm going to start applying my contour. I am using the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit, and I'm just applying that to my cheeks, temples, forehead, and the sides of my nose. Here I'm just using this big fluffy brush to blend everything together. To apply some more color to my face, I'm going to be using this Rimmel Radiance Brick in the color medium and just applying that to my cheeks. Going in with a fan brush, I'm going to go ahead and apply my highlighter. I am using the Milani Sun Glow in number 3. Who knows where your love goes when they're close the door. But I don't have to worry where it goes. I don't have to worry where it goes. Dreaming, you're dreaming. Here I am going back to my eyes. I'm going to go ahead and finish underneath by applying the same shadows that I used on my top lash and just blending everything out. Moving on to our lips, we're going to go ahead and apply this MAC Nice and Spicy lip liner and blending it out, and then I'm going to be using on top of that, this is a Victoria's Secret lip gloss in the color Charmed. This is the final look. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that you guys found it helpful. I will leave all the details down below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys on my next video.